So today I want to show you my real life spring casual wardrobe. Not my fantasy wardrobe, because believe me, I can shop like a woman that lunches in south of France, but that's not my life. So I really looked at what I wear on repeat in spring and what I always reach for when I want to feel comfortable, put together, and like I made an effort without trying too hard. And I realized that when it comes to backbone of my spring wardrobe, I only really need 6 key pieces. Now, I don't mean only 6 pieces. I'm not some sort of minimalist. I mean, these are like my key pieces that I can build my wardrobe around. I have different versions of them, different colors and different cuts. These are the pieces that mix and match really well together, but also mix and match with things that I already have in my wardrobe. So if you like the idea of a wardrobe that is chic, easy and realistic for real life, these are my 6 basic pieces that I wear on repeat this spring. First, white t-shirt. White t-shirt is such a great basic and a backbone for so many outfits. It goes with jeans, it goes with trousers, it goes under the suit, and it instantly makes the outfit feel fresh and effortless. Number 2, jeans. Another obvious basic, but the key is choosing the shape that suits you and that you like to wear and it feels good on your body. And once you find your shape, your favorite pair of jeans, they become one of the hardest working pieces in your wardrobe. I now mostly buy jeans from H&M. I just love them. I think they are good quality. They fit my body quite well. So for, I would say, the last couple of years, I've been mostly buying jeans from H&M. Yes, I have some other ones, but I always go to H&M first. They go with everything. I feel like jeans is that neutral piece. Yes, jeans are usually blue, but when we think of denim, we think of it as a neutral color, that any other color goes with it. Number 3, a trouser suit. A trouser suit is probably the most versatile item in my wardrobe. You can wear it as a full set for a smarter look. You can split it up. You can wear the trousers with something else, the blazer with something else. There is just so many outfits you can make out of one trouser suit. Number 4, trench coat. Just like jeans, I feel like trench coat is the most neutral and versatile outerwear that I own, especially if you've got it in that traditional beigey color, and somehow it feels like it goes with everything. You can put it over a nice dress, you can put it over your suit, you can put it over tailored trousers, over jeans, and you will even smarten up your lounge set. That's why it's such a key piece for me and so useful in my wardrobe. Number 5, loafers or ballet flats, depends what you prefer, or have both, why not? Loafers and ballet flats are the perfect smart casual shoe. Loafers work lovely with especially tailored trousers or suit trousers. They also work really well with like straight cropped jeans, and ballet flats, especially the pointy toe ones, look beautiful with your wide leg trousers or wide leg jeans. They instantly make the outfit look more polished without losing the comfort. And number 6, of course, trainers. Trainers are what keeps everything looking more modern and wearable in real life. You know, at my age, I don't want to be running around in heels all the time. And I absolutely love wearing trainers. And these days there is choice of so many. I'm so glad that there is this trend for trainers in different shapes, different colors, different heights, you know, the really flat ones, the platform ones. There is so much to choose from. They work with jeans, with tailored pieces, with some dresses as well. And they stop outfits from feeling a bit too formal. So for example, if you wear it with a trouser suit, it makes this suit look straight away more trendy, more casual, more relaxed, instead of wearing it, for example, with high heel shoes. So now I'm going to show you a few examples of how I wear those 6 pieces, how I incorporate them in my wardrobe, how I mix and match them. The white t-shirt is probably the most versatile piece, and you will see me wearing that in every single outfit. And this isn't about building like a perfect capsule wardrobe. It's about having these reliable pieces that make you feel good and comfortable and so versatile that you can mix and match them and makes dressing in the morning much easier. So in this first outfit, as you can see, I'm just wearing the plain t-shirt with my H&M trousers, and to make it a bit more cool looking, I've thrown over my shoulders this red knit that I already had in my wardrobe, and I'm wearing red pointy toe ballet flats. Very effortless, very comfortable, but I think it looks quite cool. And that's another thing, you can add these little accessories like a bag or colourful shoe, and it makes the outfit straight away look a bit extra. So in this outfit, I use obviously the white t-shirt, my favorite wide leg jeans from H&M, a blazer that is part of one of my suits. So this is one of those really easy, smart, casual outfits. It looks always polished, but without being overdone. The blazer instantly sharpens the look up, and because I'm wearing one of my favorite pairs of pointy toe ballerinas, they are quite old, I thought I match it up with this lovely silk scarf, and the scarf just adds, I don't know, a bit of personality, interest, so the outfit doesn't feel too plain. This is very similar to last outfit, but just changing the blazer for a bit of a lighter color gives it much more relaxed, everyday look. It still feels polished because of the blazer. It's a kind of outfit that still looks very much put together, but in much more casual way. The next outfit has that more relaxed and cozy feel, but it still looks style rather than I just threw a jumper on and hoped for the best. So I've got the same jeans, the same t-shirt, but this time I put that lovely cashmere knit on the top of it, trainers, and I love the way the t-shirt pokes out near the neckline and at the hem of the jumper. I think this tiny detail makes such a big difference. So I love wearing white t-shirt under different types of knitwear, even under cardigans as well. So this is very simple, comfortable outfit, but I think it still looks quite chic. This outfit feels a bit more polished because I've swapped the jeans for suit trousers now. I've styled them with the same white t-shirt, and I've added the brown Adidas trainers so it doesn't feel too formal, but then I've added the trench coat, which always makes the outfit put together. And I've draped knit over my shoulders in similar tones, which adds a bit more texture and interest to the outfit. Now this outfit has a bit more fresher, classic look. Again, I'm wearing the suit trousers, the white t-shirt, white trainers this time, and this lovely stripy cardigan. I think the cardigan works really well because it adds a bit of structure to it and freshness. A bit of a timeless French-inspired look. This is definitely one of the smarter outfits. So here I'm wearing the white t-shirt, full suit. I've added suede beige loafers and my trench coat. I love this kind of outfit because it looks very polished, but the t-shirt keeps it fresh and more modern rather than too formal. So this is a perfect example how trouser suit can work in your everyday casual, smart casual wardrobe. And you know, you look very put together, very smart, but you are also looking quite chic, modern and comfortable, I'm not wearing the suit with some stiff shirt and high heel shoes. Now this look is a bit different because the suit I'm wearing here has different trousers. They are straight crop trousers and also the color, the same t-shirt, trench coat and cream loafers. It feels very polished and chic, and again it's not too formal, and the loafers make it really classic and comfortable. So this one is more relaxed outfit. I'm still wearing the same suit cropped trousers, but this time I've put them on with off-white trainers and added this grey cashmere knit, which makes this whole outfit feel more cozy, soft and more casual. I love mixing tailored trousers with knitwear, and I think, like I said before, the t-shirt poking out just from underneath your knitwear looks, I don't know, there is something about it. It really changes the way the outfit looks. So these were the staples that I genuinely reach for every day, and this is not about some fantasy capsule wardrobe. And obviously everybody's six pieces will be different because it depends on your lifestyle. If you work in an office, of course your six pieces will be totally different. If you're just mom on a school run, your six pieces will be totally different. So depending on your lifestyle is which pieces will be the backbone of your wardrobe. I would love to know which key pieces you wear on repeat in a spring. Please leave it down in comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.